Keith Manufacturing is a family business. It's a three-generation family business, and I think that's really important because the entire company is a family. We have sales representatives on almost every continent in the world, and we have service people that will travel anywhere in the world to take care of a customer, no matter how serious or how big the problem is with their equipment.
From my experience, the reason potential customers or the customers that we have now purchase our ice bin is safety, reliability, and the fact that it's over history's proven to be a low cost of maintenance to maintain that.
The main feature of the bin is that the walking floor system conveys the material along the floor. It's not scraping the ice from the bottom of the bin. So again, it's more delicate in how it conveys that material.
Another unique feature is our ice comb, and the way it's designed, it gives it the ability to refracture the ice in a more gentle manner, so it leaves a more quality product as it leaves the ice bin going downstream for the the production of the ice.
The comb is very gentle in how it breaks up the congealed ice and allows that to cascade down into the discharge conveyor or auger. And then the auger will give you the continuous flow of ice downstream for the packaging process.
So if they have an ice cube that looks like an ice cube that is in pristine condition, then it says something about what they produce and how they feel about their product as it goes out.
I think the reason to buy a Keith product is that it's well built, it'll last for a long time, and Keith will take care of you if you need help, without question.